Hey guys, good morning. How are you? This is CS Trades 101. My name is Cameron Simpson from the Wolf Pack. Sorry, I'm still setting up here. Wow, 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 wow. Let's jump over this freaking chart. I cannot believe this. This is crazy, crazy, crazy. I cannot believe what has happened after hours. So I'm going to start right away here. It's at AMC ticker symbol, $16. Or sorry, correction, that was before the market closed. When the market closed yesterday, it was $16.41. We're at 19.96% in the green. Now we are trading pre-market just before market opens. We got 4 minutes now. It is at $18.05. We're at 9.87% in the green. This is freaking insane. Insane in the membrane. Remember that song from back in the day? I don't know. Maybe some older wolves on here would know that. But wow, wow, wow. I cannot believe that. This is crazy stuff. This is what we've been waiting for. I'm just going to log on like I do every morning. I'm just going to connect over to Reddit. And I'll be right with you. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so anyways, back to it. We're going to jump over to ticker symbol GME. Thank you for everybody that just popped in here right now. We are at, I'll turn down the volume here. We are at $209.43 before, that was before pre-market opens this morning. So right now at pre-market, just before the bell, we're about 3 minutes before the bell. We're at $231 and we're 10.44% in the green. That's positive. That is frigging amazing. Yeah. We got this. We got this. Okay, guys, this is so cool. This is awesome. I'm so happy for everybody out there. Everybody out there. So, not including myself, okay? This I get to see firsthand, but I know a lot of people log on to this because there's multiple reasons, right? But let's jump back over to AMC. I want to be on this when this baby opens. Just remember before you buy, I say this every morning, you might want to wait off. It depends on this one because it's a volatile stock, but most stocks, rule of thumb, that you don't buy right away because of the dump. Okay, you're gonna have all these trading platforms dumping this morning, and there's a substantial, huge amount of traffic coming in here. Right at power hour, this thing slammed hard. Okay, so we're actually gonna throw some lines of resistance on here. They don't make sense anymore because, okay, so I'm gonna go. I have my own DD. I've been working on this. I really haven't slept in days since this all started. So sorry about my neck. Most of you know that I do have steel plates in my neck. So bear with me on that. So resistance level 3, we smashed through it just before power hour, okay? And then it just rode like about halfway through power hour, we drove through it, okay? And then we had a bit of a dip, which is nothing. It's nothing. It's just how the market works. The point that I'm getting to is we are in uncharted territories here, guys. So what I wanted to get through was $18, but we just did it. $17.99. We're at it right now. So that just crushed that thesis to that analyzation to crap. So our next line of resistance that is not etched in stone, but I'm going out a little bit on the limits, our last previous marks. Okay, it's about $20.37. We got to get through that. We will do that. We will do that for sure. We could possibly do that today. If we did what we did yesterday, we're golden. We are golden. So remember I told you about that tailwind? So we're going to pop off this. We need that tailwind again, guys. What will happen? It'll happen as soon as the market opens. Okay, we got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's do this. Wolf Pack. I'm glad you're keeping it real. It pays off, doesn't it? So here we go. Market just opened. Boom. Okay, we're at 17. Holy Jesus crap. $17.83, 84 cents, 85 cents. Here we go. Sky's the limit, guys, on this little bad boy. We might have a little bit of down. Remember, these platforms are dumping right now, okay? Just, yeah, just don't be doing any FOMO on us, okay? Don't be panic selling and all that, okay? You can panic buy if you want, right? So just remember, don't be taking loans out and stuff like that, please. Like, you do whatever you want, but I'm really not for that. Don't put your family or yourself in bad situation, okay? So enough of that. So let's have a look here. We're gonna bounce up and check some volume. We are sitting, holy Jesus crap. We've already gone through 25.38 million shares this morning, and we've only been open for 1 minute and 15 seconds. Holy crap. Okay, we had about double the volume, okay? The double the volume coming in than yesterday. We're going to have a very good day. Don't worry about this little bit of a sell-off here. This is not literally, it's just the apps, okay? And this is, hedgies are pissed right now. They're screwed. They're literally screwed. There's no more ammo left in the box, okay? They used their last couple shots on doing ladder attacks on us. Okay, we have so much volume, these ladder attacks won't work, okay? They're probably trying it right now, and they're picking up a lot of fines. Like I said, the fines are nothing. They're only like $300-400 in a segment. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna slam this back up here because there's no way. They do the ladder attack. They speed trade. Okay, and what it does, it's actually gonna work in our favor because when we start buying, the algorithm is gonna recognize that as buying. Okay, they're screwed. Okay, we're at 28.6 million. Look at the volume. I've never seen it do this fast. Okay, we are twice as fast as yesterday. Okay, we did get a substantial amount of media coverage too over the night. I seen it on at least 3 platforms. So, yes. This is the shit that we've been talking about. This is it. We're doing it. Okay, I want you all to take a second and pat yourselves on the back because you held through all the crappy news, okay? You held through all the fear-mongering, okay? All the pressure from family members and everybody and all your friends for saying, sell, sell, sell. What are you doing? What are you doing? My son just messaged me now, and he's the one that got me into this. He goes, what's your price to sell? What's your target? I said, I don't have one. He goes, you don't have an escape access route? I said, well, I have a question for you. How do you know how high it's going to go? Yeah, he didn't know. So that's what it's like. Okay, that's why you got to stay tuned, right? You just got to have your notifications on. I got this covered. Okay, I got multiple scanners here watching this stuff. Okay, I got them in real time. You don't have to worry about the 15-minute delay. Okay, just and if YouTube doesn't send it out, I'm going to be hitting 2 of them out. Okay, I got two different things hooked up here. So. Anyways, enough of that blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's jump over to, we're going to jump over to GME. This channel does cover multiple stuff if you're new, okay? But we are concentrating mostly on AMC. Okay, so GME is 237.9, can't even read it, it's going so fast, 238.85. Okay, they're at 14% in the green right now. This thing's just ripping, okay? Ripping hard. They've already gone through 3 million shares this morning. That is huge for GME. Okay, that's really that. All I can here. Actually, let's check this. Okay, GME just smashed through resistance level 2, so we're going to be testing out this new level. They will probably reach this today at 260.36. Okay, it's going to do it. It's going to do it. These things run in tandem there, and yeah. So that's what I wanted to cover on that, and I'm just going to check the the volume here. Ooh, nice. Wow. There was a bit of a sell. That's just those platforms dumping, okay? And just, you got to pay attention to the numbers, same as AMC. You got to pay attention to the numbers. Really not that much of the charts. These charts right here is just a guideline, guys. That's what I keep on telling you guys, okay? And I know you're not stupid, and I know I sound like a broken record half the time. Just bear with me, okay? I just want to make sure that people are coming through or are just joining, get the proper information, just like you did when you joined. Okay, Wolfpack? Okay? Try to keep it real, because I do. I try to keep it real, but sometimes I get out of control. Okay? So, anyways, AMC, ticker symbol, and we're $18.22. We are actually getting up there at 10.75. Remember we were down to like 5%? Remember? Just before I clicked to the other thing, I told you it's those platforms dumping. Holy Toledo's. Whoa, I just noticed this. Look how many shares we were going through. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. This is huge. 42 million shares we swacked right away. Just chunk. It's like Pac-Man running around here. So we went over, I had a couple questions on my comments. We went through that. I had a couple emails. I'm just going to go through stuff while we're doing this, okay? I just wanted to tell you that we've already overturned over 9.60% of the whole pot of shares, okay? And that is not accurate because of the ghost, synthetic, whatever you want to call them, shares out there, okay? Things are going to get crazy. We only have a couple days to go till share count, okay? So, like I said, this thing could take off before then, okay? We are only in the middle of the week and things are getting friggin' nuts, okay? There's a lot of crap that's expiring right now, and like positions. That's what I'm talking about. Options, positions, puts. All that stuff is expiring, and there's lots in the next 2 weeks, like substantial, huge chunks, okay? That could put us in, we could enter a gamma squeeze, and that will drive us into a squeeze, okay? We almost hit a gamma squeeze yesterday, just so you guys know, okay? I want you to be aware of that. That was so close. If we had that near middle day, what happened? It would have been full in, okay? We caught them off guard. They were not expecting that pounce, okay? That was a hard pounce, man. And it's beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay. Anybody new to our wolf pack here, my channel, you're welcome to use the chat, okay? If you want me to cover different stock, that's what we do here. We will not change that, okay? AMC is the main target right now. I have multiple monitors in front of me to cover it, okay? 2 scanners, just so you're not all, he's going to miss it, he's going to miss it. No, I'm not going to miss it. There's an alarm set on all this stuff in different segments, okay? I got it covered, okay? So all you got to do is just watch. That's all you got to do. I'm trying to make this easy for everybody because there's a lot of stress going on there. And I don't want you guys to panic sell and really mess yourself up. You deserve this. You frigging deserve this. You held this for so long. Like, that's not normal. Usually people will panic sell before then. Okay. I've done it in the past, but I just, and I was a little worried there, but not now because I crunched the numbers. Okay. Enough about this. Let's blow this up a bit here. So $18 is that line that we got to break through this morning, and it will be free sailing from there. So the next lines that I see, I'm definitely pushing. It's going to be about 1958. I'm thinking, excuse me. And then after we hit that, we only got one more. Even the screen here will not show you. It's not designed for that. We are hitting uncharted territories, guys. Look at what I mean. Okay, look at there's our line. That's that 20. See, I was right. Yeah, $20.57. Okay, I said 37, but it's in that range. Okay, this is just a ballpark too. Okay, they don't have the correct information. Nobody has correct information on this stock. Okay, so that was where this area right here up at this level is where it was 3 months ago. Don't correct me on the date. Around that time, that's when we had that a tiny little bit of a gamma squeeze. That was not a squeeze. That turned into a gamma squeeze that one day. And then we got a ladder attack to crap. Okay, we got slammed. We weren't prepared for it. We didn't know their shenanigans, but we know now. Okay, we got way more volume coming in than then. And more media coverage. A lot of people didn't know about it. Okay, so Okay, I'm just gonna check the messages here. I'm looking over the scanners here. I'm just going to read a GME ticker symbol is at 232.32. It's at 11% straight across the board right now in a green. Okay. I appreciate life with Julia and Stefan. Hi. How are you guys doing? Naked as well. So, is okay if I bought just now? Is it too late? I can't legally tell you what to do, but if it was me, yes, I'd buy. It's not going to get any, and if it does get lower, it's just going to be a little bit of a dip. We're in a dip right now. Just so you're aware, if you look at these numbers, it's going to go back up. Okay, if you see it dip, because I don't want to give you information because it's a volatile stock. I don't know. I can't predict it. All the indicators don't mean shit right now. They're all bunk. Okay, they're guidelines. Okay, so we're gonna have a bit of a go here. When you see it dip, if it goes down to like 4 or 5, I don't know if it will. I'd buy. What are you looking at? How much are you naked? Oh yeah, you want me to look it up? Just give me 1 second. Just 1 second. So how much are you planning to purchase? Is the question. Well, just throw that out there fast. And then we'll make it. You can make a decision. I'll give you a little bit more information. You make that final decision. Okay, naked. Ticker signal note. Yeah, thank you. I got her. Is it limited group or is it this one? It's this one. Okay, I got her. Oh, okay, wow, that's nice. Nice little go this morning, eh? Yeah, I don't follow this, but I'm going to throw it in the portfolio just for a watch list. Let's have a look here. I like. Nice consolidation. Look at these levels of consolidation. It's pretty good. No ladder attacks or speed trading in here. I see a lot of green. Holy crap. Look at the green on this. What is your question? Squeeze is coming. Yes, it is. I don't know about this stock. I don't know anything about it. I bought at GM at 100. Oh, wow. Good for you. The person that just bought it at 1.65. That is huge. They're in the frigging money. Huge. Okay, it's heavy shorted. Okay, it is. Okay, short interest. I don't like these numbers. I don't go off that. I'll have to check this on Ortex later on. I will do some DD for you if you want to stop in tomorrow. I just a little bit, but honestly works. Yeah, okay. It's going to be big. Okay, I'll definitely watch that, and we will keep watching that throughout the day. Okay, I am looking over at AMC, and if it was me, I'd buy right now. Okay, we're at 7.5. That was me right now. We just dropped down to a couple percent. You're going to save a little bit. If you buy, don't come and blow my head off, okay? Because it went down to like 2%, okay? The thing is nobody can predict that, okay? I'm just telling you what I would do. I would get this before it squeezes because it will be out of your reach. I don't know how rich you are, but obviously you're trying to make money. So anyways, enough about this. Ticker symbol naked. It is 0.5638. And it is at 3.23. Okay, this is something we're going to throw on the sideline. We're going to come back to that. I like what I see. I like these levels of consolidation. Here was your buy point right in here. And then it went up. That's weird that it's all red here, though. They got that backwards. There's something wrong here. Usually it's green, then red. Okay. It is what it is. It took a bit of a hike today. So I don't know anything about it. It is heavily shorted, so it could go back down. Okay, there could be a level down here. Let's pop. Cameron, stop. See, I just had my coffee. Okay, you guys are still flirting with level 1, resistance 1. You do have a pretty strong ground of support here at par. It looks like it's consistent on that chart. Okay, I'm gonna jump over here back to AMC, my friends. Dark pool. Yeah, they're going to be cracking down on that. Oh, don't mind me. Sorry, guys. Oh, those titanium plates on my neck. Oh, they make me sick when it crunches and grinds, eh? It's pretty sad stuff. Okay. Now we're back up to 9%. So hopefully you had that set ready, loaded on your phone there, my friend, because you're hitting it up in the higher territory now. Okay. You might, if you haven't bought yet, you might want to hang on a second. Okay, sorry I stopped. I can't. If it was me, I can't tell you what to do. We're gonna get a go here. So, me saying that, we just hit $18. Okay, I can't give you information on that. I'm sorry. I feel bad. Okay, it's gonna go on a run here. Okay, I'm sorry. I just can't do that to you. I can't put you in a situation like that. Okay, excuse me, guys. It's up to you. It's not going to get any cheaper than this. It could go down a little bit in a dip. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah, beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, guys, I keep on looking over there because I do have the laptop. Just so you know, I'm not ignoring you guys. I've had comments before. You never look in the camera. Well, would you rather me look in the camera, or would you rather me analyzing everything to give you the correct information in real time? I already know the answer. Don't answer it. Okay? Okay. So we are going to I just want to check this out. We're about halfway right now between R1 and R2. R2 is, I'm going to rate that $18.68. 18.68. And we keep on getting messages here. Okay, one of my alarms went off here, guys. Just give me a second. I don't know what it is. We got an alarm going off on EPEN, which is Loop Energy. Loop Energy is a hydro company. It's right over here. We will not get into that right now because we are watching something else. Okay? That's just an alarm. I told you, I got them set everywhere. Okay? Every one of these devices has an alarm set of some kind, okay? And I also have Bose speakers that are cranked on loud. So if I'm out of my office, I'll hear it go off, okay? Trust me, it's loud. So let's pop this off of here. I just want to blow this up. I'm going to check the EMA and the MA. So we are doing some consolidation. This is beautiful stuff. We are going to get a tailwind. Watch this, okay? I'm just going to check my, yes, tomorrow. Yeah, for sure. You guys can stop in here whenever you want. Like, it's all good. It's all good. It's nice that we are a smaller, newer company. Okay, I call it company because it is, right? It's a business. I run it like a business. I don't, and entertainment purposes only, obviously, but I treat it like a business, and I'm very punctual on stuff, except my last video I put out that GME was at $20 and something. I went to say 209. Okay, I do make mistakes too. I did correct it in the comments. So sorry about that, guys. Okay, we are having a crossover here. These are just guidelines. These are indicators, okay? You might want to put these on your chart. Okay, when these things cross over, that is a signal. It's going to give you a guideline, a signal within about 3-4 seconds for you to hit that sell or buy, okay? If you're doing paper trading, I would not do it on here unless you're buying. Do not hit your sell on here. You will mess your whole life up. You will not be able to get it in cheaper than this. It'll cost you a substantial amount of money. Okay, so let's watch this. I just want to watch this for a second here. And when those lines pull apart like that, that's not good, especially when the EMA crosses over the MA. Okay, the further it goes apart, the further it's not good for us. Okay, I want to watch this. We got a good go here. It's messing around here. Oh, here we go. We just had a whack of volume come in here now. There we go. Beautiful stuff, eh? Okay, GME is at 232.24. It is setting at 10.58%. Okay? Just so we're all clear. No praise their amounts. Sorry. Nope. Sorry. It's all good. It's all good. You don't have to apologize. It's all good. I make mistakes too. I think I'm a little bit dyslexic. And I'm not saying that in a joking way. I do rate stuff. I type so fast that I should slow down because it's putting my, sometimes I'll do some stupid stuff. Okay. Okay, now we're hitting, we're doing a substantial amount of sideways action here. Okay, we just had a crossover. We're going to have a bit of a sell here, guys. So whoever's going to be buying this dip, you might want to, I can't say it, but if it was me, I'd get ready to have my phone activated with my platform on. I would do that, and just I would be ready to, if you're going to buy, get ready to buy. Okay, we don't know, but just don't, you do what you want. But if it was me, I would wait until it goes down. We just got the indication that this could be happening. It's battling right now, okay? That could switch. There you go. So you're about 3% cheaper than it was. Here you go. I got just because this is just doing its thing, right? I'm watching it for you guys. The thing is whoa, wow, something just caught my eye. BlackBerry alarm just went off here. Wow, frigging wow. Okay, BlackBerry is a beautiful company. They don't do cell phones anymore. Everybody knows that. They do. It's like Tesla now. Okay, they have vehicle software better than Tesla for non-manned vehicles. Okay, they up in Canada, they do all the government security now. They've signed a 5-year contract with CPP, EI, which is unemployment insurance. The other one's disability insurance, and the other one, social services, which is welfare. Okay, that's poverty income. I don't know how but no disrespect on that if I said it wrong. And then Volvo Group. So let's have a look at this because I own about $5,000 worth of this. We do, the Wolf Pack, into our portfolio, but we bought it at $14. Okay. So I'm not like the golden boy here. Okay. I just want you guys to know that, but it is hitting some new levels here today. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay. Why does that? Oh, it was a correction. That was saying $11 there, and I'm thinking, how the hell can it say $11 when? But I was reading it wrong. It's going up because there's some news out on this, okay? And this is very undervalued, this stock. So if the Wolf Pack's already bought it, but that's a good stock to keep your eyes on, guys. It will be, and I already know this, in the next couple years, it will be at $50 to $100 a share. I already know that, okay? I already know that. I have a little bit of inside information there. And plus, because of the news, just watch the news, right? On it. Just Google it. Googling is awesome power's tool. Okay, look at this beautiful stuff. This is setting us up for the rocket to take off here, guys. This is beautiful stuff. I know it makes a lot of people, oh, what are you talking about? We're building steam right now. We're going to build steam here and we're going to get a tailwind. Watch this. Watch this, guys. It might not go this down, but watch it climb. So I'm trying to teach you guys how to trade a bit here. On weekends for the new passers and the new guys to our channel, the Wolf Pack. On weekends we do stock schoolwork. Okay, you can just watch the video, and if you need it dumbed down a bit, you can go back into archives and look under podcasts under playlists. But if you needed more advanced, just wait a week or two. We've covered probably about 15, 20 symbols so far. There's 42 to go and a whole bunch of charts. There's hundreds of stuff to go through. It'll probably take about 6 months, but I do go through 3 or 4 things on a podcast, and it's I try to keep it very simple. I use videos that are not mine, most of them, but are videos. I use them as templates to go through, and some of them there's errors in, so I stop and correct them. Okay, so if you guys are watching, you might recognize 1 or 2 videos on the internet. I do correct the information as you go. Okay, it's just really hard to find that stuff out there. Okay, so let's get on. Sorry about that, guys. I'll turn that down a bit. I just don't. If I shut it off, we'll get no mic action, dude. Okay, okay, I'm watching this where I'm gonna do a blast through here. I'm gonna go through all the numbers here. We're at $17.90. We're at 9.0% in the friggin' green as usual, and we needed a bit of a tailwind here. Come on, like look at this thing. This is what happened yesterday. Okay, it started screwing around here, and all of a sudden, boom! She went to the moon. Okay, that's what we need. Yes, we are into crypto. I was just going to say that. I was going to read Are you like... do you read minds? Because I was just looking over at that. And yes, we do crypto. We only cover a couple different ones because we don't cover blood coin. Okay, and you probably know what that is. No Chinese crypto blood coin that's made with fossil fuel. Sorry, we try to keep carbon footprint. I don't support that stuff, so I don't boast it on my channel. Okay, but we are at $18.14. We're at 10.54. Remember I told you we were going to get speed here? Okay, you're going to learn how to do this if you read my stock charts. Okay, remember about that? I just told you about that on weekends. You're going to learn about all this stuff but this is not normal stock. Okay, and I'm not a friggin' genius either. Okay, so let's go through the numbers. Okay, overturned 17.04. Okay, the volume is unreal today. We are at 76.780 million. You heard that, million. It's insane. Okay, outstanding shares. This is just a number. It's 450.28 million. Free floats for 448.28 or 29 million. Take it with a grain of salt. You know what I mean on that one. Okay. We don't know how accurate, where these people are getting their information from. There's so much short out there and naked shares out there. Okay. Crypto. Okay, let's get into some Dogecoin. Okay. So, good old Doge. Doge is one I cover. Doge is, it has a substantial less of a carbon footprint into the world. And when I mean blood coin, I mean exactly what I'm saying. Blood coin, it's no good. It's NG. Okay, so if you do own it, I'm not knocking you or anything like that. I'm knocking the process it's mined in. Okay, the farm, the mining farm, the crypto farm. If you know what that means, it's I'm pretty sure you guys do. I'm not going to get into that. Okay, so Dogecoin, DOGE, and it is out of the States and Canada. That's where it's made. It is at 0.3402, and they're minus 4.10. I do like this one. Okay, I'm waiting for it to go back down to about 28%. I can see that happening. I'm going to load up on it. Kat, good morning. I haven't seen you in a couple of days. I'll be with you in 1 second, okay? I'm just going to do this readout here. Okay, so Doge, watch crypto right now, guys. The guy, why crypto has gone down in last week and why now is because the hedgies are dumping it, okay? They're dumping this stuff because they can always recover on it and buy it later on, okay? So that gives an opportunity to buy. I'm going to jump on a little bit. I don't like covering bit. This is one of the blood coin. Okay. I'm just going to do a fast one. It's at 38.9478.83. It's minus 1.6. Okay. We're going to cover it. I don't like doing this, but Ethereum. Okay. 2.711.49, and that's all we're going to do on that because I just don't like covering those ones, but just because I never noticed you here before, and I'll cover that crypto for you. Okay, and I'm not giving information on how to buy it, all that stuff. It's you're obviously if you're asking those questions like that, obviously you know what you're doing. Okay, here we go. AMC's on a go. This is what we wanted. Remember I told you about that buy? That we're gonna have a tailwind. This is it. It could go back down, but I'm giving you guys a heads up. Okay, remember I told you to I couldn't tell you what to do when I said that I would buy. I hope you bought when I told you that. Remember I said this is the time I would buy if it was the wolf pack. This is why the percent just doubled almost in front of you. Okay? We are doing it, guys. Here we go. Here we friggin' go. Okay, I'll read the chats here. And you guys don't need to worry about super chats. We don't do super chats here for now. Okay. Okay. Okay, good morning, Kat. I already said that. Okay, good. Crypto, good. You're good with crypto? Okay. And good seeing you. Okay, good morning. Just in the sidelines today. Okay, that's fine. Just hanging out, eh? I just bought another shares at 1760. Oh, good. You're in the money. See? Remember our little talk? See, I told you. You just hold down now. Hold down. And Kat, have your phone on you, okay? You're one of the girls I want you to do really good. Okay? Me and Kat we're ever since I started my channel, she's one of my she's been on our channel for a while now. Okay? I just I don't talk about personal information, so let's leave it at that. I just want her to do really good. So, I want you all to do really good, but I'm just saying I don't have a rapport with you guys yet, okay? Most of you. But it'll happen. Don't you like how you can talk to me and it's not just the speed? I've slowed it down, too, like to nothing. Okay, I bought a similar price. Let's go. Okay, good. Let's go. Exactly. We're doing it. Today is a good day. It could gamma squeeze today. If we were open for another hour, we would have had a gamma squeeze yesterday. We had so much drive and so much tailwind that there's nothing that nobody could do to stop us. We smashed through 4 barriers that I had set up yesterday. Like boom, boom, boom. Like I started feeling sick to my stomach because I was not too much excitement. Like, wow, it just blew me away. Okay, I was wondering, AMC will do at 20, 30, 50 mark. It'll do. It'll do. Once we get over the $20.37, we're in uncharted territory. There's no resistance. There's no past history. There's nothing to go off of. All indicators are off the table. Everything's off the table. Okay, and the hedgies don't know. We're in uncharted territory with this stock. You have nothing to compare it to. The indicators don't work. These indicators will, the EMA and the MA, they'll work. They'll give you a guideline, but like this is a volatile stock. Here we go, guys. We just busted a new level. Okay, that's our new level for the day right now because we're up that high. So we got to hit $20.37 right now. That's it. That was my mark. We did it. 18.7. So the next one's 20.37. After that, sky's the limit. It could go. It could friggin' just go. Okay, so be prepared. If you're logging off the channel, remember to have your subscribe button, or obviously subscribe. That's a no-brainer. You wouldn't be on here if you didn't already subscribe. Because when I send that SOS out, if you don't have that bell and you have it turned off, you're not going to get the chime, the alarm that comes on with it. You'll get the notification, but you won't get the alarm. Okay, guys? Okay, and take your sell limits off. I know I say this, I sound like a friggin' broken record. I don't want anybody screwed. Take your sell limit off now while you have your phone in front of you. Take off your high end and low end. I would take the low end, and that's up to you. I can't tell you what to do. If it's the wolf pack, I would take it off. Completely off. Put infinity on the upper end. This is the wolf pack speaking. That's what I do. Some of them are set on default for the even number. $20, $30, $40, $50, take it from there. You know what I'm talking about. That's what happened to GME. It hit 100, boom, sell off. People lost their shirts. Hit 200, boom, sell off. If you look back, you'll see the drops, huge drops. It dropped at like $50. That's huge, okay? So let's do it from there. Okay, I'm just going to do a scan here, guys. GME is sitting at 233.61. We are in the green, 11.55%. We're killing it. We're killing it. We're hammering them from both ways. We're up to 15% now. Okay, look at that. They tried to drive us down. Do you see that pushing? You see that pushing back? That's not normal. Usually in the past, that would screw us. We just slammed down to $8 again, right? So we got the volume now. That news coverage last night helped big time. Okay. Yeah, there'll be a lot of people, I wouldn't say sell. I don't know if retail investors will be selling. Everybody has their own situation. Okay, and we don't condone or we don't condemn people that do that. Okay, if you come on here and you say that I had to sell, you might get a couple mean comments on you. I will try to block them as fast as I can. Just kind of watch. Our channel's pretty good, but no being mean. Okay, because everybody has their own thing. Could you show us how to check if we have sell limits and how to turn them on or off? What platform are you using, my friend? You got to tell me that first. They're all different. I really can't show you because I'd be showing you my account number and everything, but I can explain it. Give me 1 second here. I'm just going to look over the scanners here before I do anything. You guys don't mind? Okay. Just give me a minute. Thank you. If you notice anything crazy, just hit the thing. Just hit SOS on there, okay? On the screen, I'll see it. I got it in front of me, and then I'll look back over. I'm watching everything. Okay, so I use TD up in Canada. They use TD American Trade down there. I don't know if it's the same. I don't have access to those apps, guys. And I use Wealthsimple. Holy shit! Look at the volume coming in now. We are at 1 mil. We're at 100 million shares. 100 million shares. 100. They're so screwed. They're so screwed. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Sorry, guys. I got to concentrate. Oh, man. Okay, it's okay. I got to get this for you because it's more important than that. Okay, right now, because I'll go up and down, and it's or go. Okay, might go once we hit that. We almost hit the $20 mark, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try doing this without. Oh wow, that's just in one of our accounts, guys. This is the Wolfpack. We're at 53.28%. I don't know if you can see that. That's one of our trading accounts. That only has 187 shares in it. Okay. And that's in Canadian, okay? My other accounts are in American. I just want to show you, I try to be very transparent. I'm one of those people that show stuff. I'm going to show you in the next couple days our trading accounts and the amount of money in it and how much we're going to be donating, okay? Webull on my phone. Okay, good one. Webull on your phone. I don't use Webull. I can't use it in my country, okay? But that doesn't matter. We'll figure it out for you. Okay, we'll be in settings. Go to the stock that you want to go to. Go to the stock like AMC if you're putting it on AMC. You can go to that stock. Bottom left side, down on the bottom, there's a bell. Okay. There you go. There you go. See that? I don't know if that shows up. So Webull, you go on the main screen, hit AMC. Bottom left corner, hit the bell with a plus on it. And it's going to tell you your strategy. You're going to have to dig in there. I don't have access to this. I don't have money in there, so it won't let me go any further than that. You can set your alarms on there too, guys. I'm just holding, guys. On somebody just asked, am I using lever? I'm just holding. I'm holding because I know as soon as it holds and it does a bit of a dip and it starts to go down, I'm going to be watching the numbers. When I start noticing an actual sell-off, not a dip, and the volume's not coming in anymore, that's when the SOS goes out, okay? For the Wolfpack we'll be selling, and I'll be doing it live, okay? And the first one's only going to be a 15-second, just to get it out there. The next video I'll be doing through and how to manage how the Wolfpack's going to manage his money, okay? Okay, added 8K, here's a... Yeah. You got more shares than the Wolfpack does. You're one rich man. Well, it's nice to meet you, millionaire. And I mean that. I'm going to do that really quick. Yes, I would get on that. Everybody else is watching this. That's why I had some mean comments the other night. This morning, actually, I woke up to some mean comments. You sound like a broken record. You're boring. Well, why are you watching my channel then? You have enough time to type that in. You will obviously watch my thing. Reason why I'm repeating myself, and I will keep on doing it because I can. You can skip past that. Is because I don't want you guys be holding a bag of empty. There's no money in it. I feel like my job is to educate and to warn you guys. That's my That's my duty as a podcaster. I have the knowledge and the power to do that. It's simple. I have the electronic ability to do that. I have the scanners. I have everything. Let's not get into that. But, and if you do, and the mean comments, I can take it. I got thick skin. Is just and it hasn't been happening on here, but nobody bashing each other. It hasn't happened yet, so I shouldn't even say that. You guys are adults on here, or well, I shouldn't say it. I'm not an adult. I try to be a kid, but you're smart kids. I'm just bugging you guys. So, anyways, $18.44. We're at 12.35. 12.24. We are kicking some butt. Dude. And that's with a bit of a dip. Okay? What do we got here? Where did GME go? Oh, yeah, GME. We're actually above GME for once in the last couple days. GME is trading at $232.29. 10.82 in the green. Here we go. Okay, thank you very much. Do that real quick. Yeah, not a problem. 200 cents. Wow, you guys are loaded, man. You guys got your shite together, eh? And sorry if I'm not. My last podcast in the beginning, I was swearing a lot and stuff like that. And some people, man, that's cool how you joke around like that. I've dumbed it down because we're almost getting ready to get monetized. Okay, so I'm gonna have to raise some videos. I already know that, but yeah, they want to monetize me. That's because of you guys, not me. That you guys did that. Okay, which will give us more opportunity to donate more money, and I will not be spending that money on myself with the monetization. I'll be showing you my account every month when I get paid, and we'll be going in live with a GoPro and donating money live. Okay, same as when this does this thing. There's a substantial amount. We're going to fill up my back of my truck, my Dodge Ram pickup truck, full of dog and cat food. And we're going to drive it down to the Humane Society and we're going to drop it off together. Okay? That's how I roll. Okay. Did you guys figure it out? Did you do it? Did you figure out your cell limits? Okay. Just remember to do that. Double check it. Even if you think that it's set, some of these platforms have a default and you'll set it and you don't hit the save. You got to check to make sure you hit that save. Okay. Because you might change it and then all of a sudden click off the app. And meanwhile, it didn't save. It still, it goes back to default again. Okay. I've heard nightmare stories. I can't show you them because it's private information on my Gmail. It has the addresses and stuff or else I could vet it out. But anyways, enough about that. Sorry about that. I got to get back on here because I could talk all day. I love you guys. I do. Seriously, man. You guys are awesome. Okay. There we go. I'm going to have some coffee and check everything over. Now we're at, wow, 13. Jesus. 13%, 18.52. GME is at 32 or 31 still, 0.65 at 4.51%. Okay, beautiful stuff. And I will definitely be coming on here and showing you guys. I'm going to figure out a way how to block my personal information. I'm going to show you how much Wolfpack has made. Okay, how much that stuff. Okay, I want to be very transparent with you. I know there's a lot of I don't like comparing myself to other channels. It's not good business. Okay, but I've just noticed that a lot of people are just saying stuff and there's no information to back it up. Okay, I don't want you to follow in those footsteps and thinking that that you need to mortgage your house just to make money. Okay, don't do that. Please don't do that. Okay. And credit cards at 19 or percent or whatever. Yeah, just do what you can and then go from there. Okay, this thing potentially, I'm very, very positive it's going to be over the thousands, in the thousands. Okay, I know you might be laughing. Yeah, whatever, Cameron, whatever. Look at the Volkswagen squeeze. Okay, it was like 8 something, and this is freaking nothing compared to that. We have totally different playing grounds. We have more in our hand than they did. Okay, that was between the government and a bunch of politics over in Germany. Okay, totally different stuff. We actually have laws to protect us and stuff in the market. Theirs is all over the place. Okay, and that's also here. There was trading here on it. They have 2 different stock markets. So I want to be clear: the New York Stock Exchange and the Toronto Stock Exchange, we're trading with Volkswagen too. I'm not just saying it was Germany, but that's where it's from, right? Yeah, that's crazy, buddy. I'm still looking at your shares. Yeah, if that hits, I can do the math here for you. If that hits $100. Okay, I'll have to see what you bought it at. I'm just trying to scan back up here. Oh, it doesn't say. But anyways, if you bought it around, I'll do it what I bought mine at, my one lot. I bought my one lot at $14 and something. So if it goes to $100, I think you got yourself $200,000. I think that's it. I think I'm pretty accurate on that. Okay, that's if you sell them all. That's at 2,000 shares. I'm not doing the other shares left over that you have, the 307. I'm not that good. But if it hits at 500, I think you got yourself $1 million there, my friend. And if it hits 1,000, I think you're a millionaire for sure if it hits 1,000. Okay. I would love to have, I'm happy with a couple hundred, I'm happy for my health. Okay. And everybody around me. And I'm more happy that you guys do good. Okay. I'm educated on to make money. I do. Right. If you look at my portfolio, it's green. Okay. We make a substantial amount here. I'm not bragging or anything. I lose too. I'm actually minus 25% in one account. I'm minus $15,000. So I will show, those are the red days, and I've been holding some of the stock I'm down 75 to 80% on some of the stocks, lithium stocks. Visions of Lithium out of Canada, and it's not good, right? But I know that in a couple of years or whatever, it's going to come back. It's just that it sucks that you have to hold it, right? Okay, enough about that. I'll stop babbling here. I can do this all day long. Anybody else want me to cover anything else? Because I just don't want to just be staring at this screen all day, and I do not want to bounce through stuff without you guys asking. Do you think we could go to? Yep, we can. 100K. Oh, like 1,000, you mean? JJ! Brother! You're keeping it real. I see you. To move and have... What do you think of this, my friend? Pretty awesome stuff, eh? Do you think that I could make the much as 1K per? Yes, that's the more numbers I'm saying. Yes, it can. Yes, it can. It can go up to a couple grand a share. And yes, it can. I'm not going to say anything. It can. And if anybody says it can't, they're out of it. Okay? Depends. It's up to what the hedges have to cover it. Like, people don't understand that. It's not like, oh, I'll cover it next week. No. They will be defaulting their credit, losing their houses. They have deposits on some of this stuff. Hedge firms, there's big laws on you have to make 200,000 plus a year to become a hedgie. Minimal. Whoops and apes. Apes. What's your price target? Price target, like my price target, like what I think I just answered that. Or are you asking the price target what I'm going to sell at? There's two different ways that can be taken. Clarify it, and I'll answer the question. Okay? Oh. I'm having a rough day, guys. I'm sorry. I had 3 hours sleep last night. Got to be covered. It could. Sky's the limit. How can I word this? I got to make sure I word it correctly because of legal reasons. Just give me a minute on that one. Oh, did I sell it? I can't answer that. I'm selling when it hits the top, okay? Or if when it does the dip. Like if I lose 500 or like $500 or whatever. If it let's hypothetically, okay? Let's be very crystal clear on that. If it hits 1,000 and I get it 800, I'm happy as hell. Okay. If I lose a couple hundred and I'm up that high, I'm okay with that. Okay. I know I'll catch it before then, but I don't think most of you, have you guys ever been through a squeeze before? Okay. If you haven't, I have. Okay. And I didn't make that much money. I caught it near the end. Okay. That's why I'm doing this channel. And that's why I got you guys to watch your phones. I'm trying to set you guys up to get rich, okay? Depends on the amount we own, depends on what it goes to. There's all these contributing factors. I'm doing what I can to help you, okay? You did what you could have helped me by subscribing to my channel, okay? Right? Pretty fair? Okay. So, targets. Yeah, it definitely will reach those levels. There's bull and bear markets. Now there's AMAX. I like your humor, my friend. You and JJ have you guys are pretty good. You guys are hilarious. So let's look at this. We're banging around at 13% right now. What was the highest right now? Oh, I'll read some numbers off for you guys. Sorry, I'm slacking. Let's go for 21. Yeah, once we bang through that 20.37, it like I said, the indicators are off the table except the ones I have on here, MA and EMA. Okay, everything else is gone. There's nothing to compare it to. There's nothing. We are in uncharted territory. Okay, even the hedgies don't. They have more sophisticated stuff than we do. Here we go. We got a lot of volume coming in, guys. This could be it. Here we go. We got a lot of volume dumping in. It's driving. Oh, jeez. Wow, see how long that wick went up there? That was a speed trade. Something's happening. They're trying to screw with us. There's something, yeah. They're trying to really hard to drive this down right now. Wow. 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 And GME is holding at the same, 235.60. Okay, 100,000 per share. I don't know about that, but I think that's a little bit high. I could see the thousands for sure, thousand for sure. I can see it. I can see it happening. I don't know if it will. Like I said, I legally can't say that, man. Right? But I want to show you guys a little something here. Oh, we just leveled this out. See, I want to show you something that the computer doesn't make sense. Look at this. Look at all this red. Look at this. We have nothing here. It's saying we have no volume. Right? They're speed trading. They're trying to pull a ladder attack on us, and it will not work with this much volume coming in. It'll actually switch and go the other way. Right? It'll actually look like we are buying more than we are. Okay? Depends on the dark pool synthetics. That is so correct. Definitely. That's what the second is all about. It's going to take a couple days for them to do the count. You guys, have you got anything in the mail yet? Any of you stockholders of AMC? I have not. I have not got an email or anything yet. I know we will receive it. It's weird that they haven't sent it out before, just for our voting, right? Unless they are using tickets from last time, but I don't know about the vote tickets, if they can use the last ones, because that was kind of kiboshed. I think they're redoing the whole thing. In dark pool, yes, they're going to try to hide these synthetic shares and then redump them again. But that's only going to go so far. They're not going to be able to do it that far. It's going to screw them in the long run. They might get a little bunch of them back there. But the low ballpark, they're saying 40 million. 40 million. That's insane. That's as much. That's almost a quarter of the volume we went through today. And a lot of people have bought today. Even you guys have bought a lot today. We were just talking about it, right? I didn't buy anything today. I did the other day. I spent all my money. Not all of it, but my gambling money, because it is gambling. I did go live and I bought more shares. And I did buy some Doge. I bought a little bit of Doge, but I'm going to wait a little bit more. Doge, I'm paper handing, guys. Just so you're aware of that. I do the COVID pill, which, because I mentioned it, it's ticker symbol AEZS. And it is up point. It's at $1.30. It's at 0.98. It's a one-shot COVID pill. It's in its fourth trimester here. Yeah, to the moon, for sure. Sky is the limit. It is. The COVID pill. Okay, this one right here, I paper hand that I've made substantial thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on that. That little bastard will go from this, and in one day it'll go up 200%. Okay, just like that over news. It's a Canadian stock, very, very low float share. It's not shorted that bad. That is something it doesn't matter about the shorts. Okay, the volume. And if somebody's rich, like a millionaire, afterwards, if you do have this money, instead of paying taxes on it and pulling it all out, guys, because you pay about 37% on this, reinvest it. That's what I'm doing. Or put it into a TSFA. Okay, so you don't have to pay taxes on it until down the road. And then sorry about that. Then it's making money. Okay, that's what I do. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Most of my stocks are in a TSFA trading account. Okay, it's a tax shelter. Okay, so, and what's it called? It is called Arterna Zaraz. We're going to jump right over there right now. I'm just going to check the scanners. Okay, everything's good. Oh, BB's up again. BlackBerry's up 9%, 9.16, $11.32. Okay, here's the COVID pill. How do you like that for spottage? That's how low this stock goes. Okay, there's no trading. Okay, let's put this on the 1 hour. There you go. Let's put it on 1 day. Now you can read the stock. Okay. This is when it goes up. See, oh, shit. Sorry about that. Let's dumb this down a bit here. See, look at this. It goes up. Look at this. $1.40. There you go. You would have made 50% of your money just like that. Okay, so I dump like 5G in this, 10 grand at a time. So when it goes up, I make 5 grand just like that. I make 10 grand, 10 grand, 10 grand. I paper hand this bastard. Okay, I keep on doing it, keep on doing it. Okay, I've made a substantial amount of money on this. Okay, it goes up and down, up and see it? Exactly what I was telling you. See? But boom, but boom. For the new people, there's rules here, and I'll stop clapping in front of the mic because I noticed it irritated the shit out of me last time I was listening to one of my videos last night. I'm going to take it off this. It's called ticker symbol AEZS, Antarna Xantarhas. Wow, that's a tongue twister first thing in the morning. Okay, so I'm going to jump off here because we are covering AMC because it's at $15.30 now. We're going to hit the $19 right now, ladies and gentlemen, just right now. Okay, yep, we just did it. We just 14 more percent or 14 more cents, and we just smashed a new limit of today for the highs. Okay, I'm going to talk about Zarnaz, the COVID pill in a second here. I'm just going to go through these numbers. We're already at 29.07% overturn. We have volume of 130.99 million shares have already been traded, and it's only been open for 57 minutes. Not even an hour. Wolfpack. This is good stuff. Okay. Yeah, so the COVID pill, that's what I was talking about. Now is like the Wolfpack is a buy right now on that. Okay, I already did. I just loaded up. I just dumped 5G on it. Just because I don't put everything in one basket. Of course, 80% of my portfolio right now is in AMC, but I got to keep feeding myself. I'm a hungry guy, right? I don't put on my eggs in baskets because it's too devastating when everything collapses. That's only if you can afford. If this is the first stock and this is where you're starting to build your portfolio, good for you. You're smart, and then that it's going to work for you. Okay, but on something like your paper handing means day trading. Okay, usually you pull it out at the end of the day. I don't. I paper trading short long, I call it. I got my own rules, right? When it goes up to 100% or above, I pull 3/4 of it out. I always leave a quarter in there. Always, on every frigging stock. That's how I built a portfolio out of a couple $100. Go back and check the videos out. This was all bought off of a little bit of chump change over the last year, okay? I flipped it. I flipped BlackBerry twice, okay? And now I'm holding it long because I messed up. I got a little bit greedy on it, and I went and I got stung. It's at $14. I've still lost money on it. It is what it is, though. It'll come back up. I do the research, though. Don't just buy a stock. You pull back the chart and you look like AMC. It trades at $20 before COVID. Between $15 and $20. Consistent for the last frigging years. Now that's DD. Okay? Do that because I'm very confident owning at $14. Okay? So that's the only reason why I bought that high of a price, or else I probably would have walked away and only had it at $8. Okay? With my one lot of 187 shares instead of that lot of 887 shares. Okay, enough about that. I'm looking over. Oh, GME. I'm just going to jump over here. We're at 1873. GME is on a run right now. Wow, they just smashed new territory here. Let's pull up some resistance points here. They just pounded through resistance level 2, and that is testing. That resistance level 2 was at 238.85. Okay, we're going to pull that off there. The next target for the GME is 260.21. Okay, so they're having a bit of a go today here, which is beautiful. That helps us out. Okay, these two run together. Most of the time, yeah, good. A lot of volume coming in here for this group today, for this stock today. 9.50 million shares. They've already overturned 8.60%. That's the range. Okay, the shares out there are 70 million. 70.77 million. You remember there's synthetic shares in here too. A big whack of them. Okay, so let's get back over to AMC. Usually I only stay on for an hour. I've already gone over. I'm going to stay on a little bit longer for you guys today. Okay, well, usually I only do an hour a day, and then I do podcasts through the day for you guys. Okay, if news comes up, and I got a lot of figuring out to do today. I got to figure out what I'm going to do for the schooling for the weekend. Right, I got to do all that stuff too. I usually spend about 8 to 10 hours a day, and I'm not BSing you on that, in my office, sitting on this chair, working. I do it because I love doing it, right? I will be back. I will be back to work probably in the next couple of days. I still got it covered though. Okay. I am a machine operator, so I can have my phone. Everything will be on, and I already have a podcast already made for the SOS for the squeeze. When it squeezes, I just push a button and it's already sent. It sends off automatically. Same with the cell. When Wolfpack is gonna when it. I'm not gonna say sell, but when it starts going down, I'm gonna say that it's starting to dip. It's starting. People are starting to sell SOS. That's what it is. I already have the videos made. They're already sitting there made. See, that's how ahead of the game, and that's how serious I am about this, okay? There's a lot of people counting on me. I won't let you down, okay? Okie dokie. So I just wanted to pull this back and have a good look at this little baby. Wow, that's a good picture, eh? Look at that. What a nice day. Look at that. There's a bull here, eh? That's a nice bull. Got a lot of tailwind. There was your buy-in point right there. Right, that's the buy-in area. You can go right here, but you're gambling. If you would have bought in here, you could have gambled. It could have drove down, but right in here, you already got the tailwind happening. Okay. I'm going to throw you some education here. Okay, I'm going to throw you some education here. A green candle, which is a positive, which is a positive in volume. Okay, it's a buy signal. Okay. Followed by 3 reds is called 3 crows. Okay, for the people that don't know, that's my education for the day. Okay, so that's one of our symbols that we go over. Okay, so that's something in school we cover. That's the type of schooling you'll learn. Okay, you need to know that stuff. You need to know the basics. It just helps you, right? It helps you make these decisions. Here we go. This could be a little bit of a run here, guys. We had quite a bit of consolidation there. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to kick back and watch this and have a coffee. Like, you know, we're fighting for hell here. Right? Oh, here it comes. Here comes a whack of volume in here. They bought the dip. They're buying the dips. That's what's happening. And if this thing, 19, yeah, see that signals those arms. I call them arms. The MA and the EMA are spreading. See, they're coming closer together. Yeah, there you go. It's gonna have a crossover. Don't cross over. It is what it is, right? Like we need some sideways action, guys. We need to have consolidate. We need to build our volume back up a little bit more. Actually, look at these lines of resistance. $8.70 or $18.70. We got 1,500 shares or 3,494 shares. That acts as a level of support. If you guys don't know that, so when it hits that, it'll eat those shares up, and it could kick us back up. If that wasn't there, that's when you have the dive. The dive of hell, I call it. Or people call it bleeding. Yeah. They call it the market bleeding. Oh. Number 2. We are riding its curtails. Oh, look at that. R2. Resistance 2, that stands for. So the R2, we just dropped below the R2 right now, which is what it is, because it means nothing really. All it's doing is giving people a chance to buy in. That's all it does. And then it drives the price back up. What is it? It's Wednesday I'm losing my days because I spend so much time up here, guys. So let's just go here. Stupid phones, man. Are you kidding me? It's Wednesday. I don't like how they don't tell you the time or the date. They just tell you the actual numbers. They don't tell you like what date is. You have to click in it. Sorry about that. It is only Wednesday. I lost a day. That's how long I've been up. Like, things are getting crazy, man. Like, literally crazy on me. So yeah, I definitely won't be sleeping. I usually get a couple hours sleep after the market closes, and then that's about it. I'm back up again programming and doing software upgrades. Okay, I'm going to cover some sundial here because this thing's just banging around the same numbers. Okay, let's pop this off here. Okay, we're going to cover sundial. We're going to blow it up a bit here onto the chart. They had a bit of a sell-off today since market open. Market opened and it drove the price up quite a bit. And then they started bleeding out. This is very shorted too. I don't know the exact numbers because nothing's accurate on here, especially on with these volatile stocks. Okay, they're just guidelines. Do I have it on the 1 minute? Okay, I'm just gonna hit the refresh here and make sure we got the newest stuff available for you. Okay, so what's happening here is they've had a bit of a sell-off. It's gonna break par today, or it might even go in the minus. Sundial is a pretty good company. They just they own a lot of stuff up in Canada. Okay, they're buying everything up. This is something that you want to hold long. Okay, you can paper hand it. I'm not telling you what to do, but if I own it, which I don't, I just cover it because a lot of people have asked me. They keep on asking me to check it out, check it out, check it out. So I just save it into the portfolio. Okay. Yeah. Wow. BlackBerry's up another. It's up 9.35%, 9.45%, $11.35 right now. That is beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to dig on that later on after you get out. There must have been some news or something that came out, or a lot of people pulled their head out of their ass and actually realized what it's worth. Okay, it's a really good stock. It is better than Tesla, and I mean that. They have better software than Tesla does, but just nobody knows that though. It's very guarded. That's why they're monitoring the government. They have the best cybersecurity in the world right now. They've had these patents for like 15 years before, when they had the text platform for their BlackBerry phones, right? They're way ahead of that. Stuff was encrypted. You couldn't even get it. It didn't log. The messages were never saved. They were encrypted. Nobody could hack them. Like that's why they didn't do good, is because a lot of the big companies like government and stuff like that would not sponsor them. They got kiboshed, right? But they weren't that. The cell phones, Android took over on them. That's what happened. The other company, like Samsung and all that, they got squashed, right? Too many competitions, but now they're not into phones. They're into other stuff. Okay, AMC took a little bit of a dip here. I see a buy signal right now. I definitely see a buy signal, guys. If it was the wolf pack, I'd be reloading. I don't know about double downing on it, but because the actual word, everybody says double down, double down, double down. Actually, double down means there is doubling it. Whatever you have, you're doubling it. Okay. I know a lot of that word's thrown out there. Like, I just doubled down, and then I said, well, how many shares did you buy? Oh, just 100. Well, how many did you have before? Oh, I had like 300. Well, you didn't double down, did you? So it's just slang, I guess. People are throwing it out there. Wow. Yeah, perfect time to buy. Okay, guys, I'm out of here. It was a slice, and I want you to keep it real, Wolfpack. And I'll see you here tomorrow morning. And just remember, take that notification and make sure that bell's on. I know I might annoy you with a couple videos coming out. I know probably more than a couple of videos coming out before that actually squeezes, but we don't know. We don't know when it's going to happen. It is on the table. It is going to happen. We already have a taste of it. Okay. Things don't go up like that and crazy like that for something to do. You guys are smart enough to know that. Okay. So I'm going to bounce out of here, and I got some other stuff to do, and I want you guys to have a great day. Okay. And I probably will have some other stuff I'm going to cover. I might flip another cast out there today. So yeah. And thank you to everybody. Thanks for the thanks. Okay, so I'm just going through I'm just reading. Thank you, everybody, and thank you for the thank you. Okay, I'm just reading through the messages to make sure I got everything here. Will this affect the share count in June? Oh, somebody, yes, it will. Are you talking about, I'm just going to go back. Kirby, are you talking about AMC? Yes, it will. That could potentially, it might take a day or two, but this could happen before then. okay? And that'll just add to it. That will seriously add to it. But we have so many positives in for us, okay? Thanks, brother. Thanks, ladies. And keep it real. Welcome to the wolf pack. Now you guys are wolves, eh? And wolves like to eat. It takes money to eat, so we got to make some. Okay, so I'll see you here tomorrow morning or on my next podcast. Keep it real.